And a high-stakes battle is brewing in Washington, one that could reshape the independence of the U.S. Federal Reserve. Fed Governor Lisa Cook has taken President Donald Trump to court, challenging his attempt to remove her from the central bank's board. Now, at the heart of the case, accusations of mortgage fraud, policy disagreements over interest rates, and the limits of presidential power. On Friday, August 29th, Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook appealed in court to block an effort by President Donald Trump to remove her from office. Cook's attorney, Abby Lowell, argued that the removal attempt is politically motivated, claiming Trump's want her out because she hasn't supported interest rate cuts in 2025. The case comes just days after Trump posted a letter on his social media platform, Truth Social, saying he was removing Cook over mortgage fraud allegations tied to dual residency claims from 2021. Now, Cook's legal team says the claims are unsubstantiated and were never investigated before Trump moved to fire her. They argue the real reason is her resistance to Trump's pressure on the Fed to slash rates ahead of the 2026 election cycle. Now, critics warn that the case could set a dangerous precedent, politicizing the Federal Reserve, which is meant to operate independently to keep inflation in check and steer monetary policy. Lisa Cook's attorney framed it, calling the move a political attack and not a legal one. The next step is an expedited court review. Judge Giacob has asked both sides to file additional arguments by Tuesday. Legal experts say that the case is almost certainly to end up in the U.S. Supreme Court. So far, no ruling has been issued and Lisa Cook remains on the Fed board. The outcome could have far-reaching consequences, though, and not just for the Federal Reserve, but for interest rates, inflation, and the economic health of the country.